Hey everyone, it's Deborah. Welcome to Daisy Deb Crafts. Today I'm showing you my candy box. This is a kscraft November die, and it is the candy box, and it is super cute. Oh my goodness, it is super cute. So here I'm going to go ahead and turn it over for you so you can see how I made it. And here is the second one. I just put candies in it. So here are the pieces to that die. It is the November 2025 candy box. And let me back up a little. I guess I'm not going to be able to back up. This just fits my Big Shot very, very tight. And I can do 6 inches. I can do a 6-inch by probably 8-inch piece of paper. So a 12 by 12 paper, you can get 2 of them out of it, which is perfect, including these layers. So this is the main die. And then this portion is to cut the acetate, but you could also make a tag out of it, guys. Just keep that in mind. And this portion, this stitched, is this right here. Just those 3 pieces. The acetate was very hard to cut with this die. I ended up having to trim it, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. And then here are the pieces that come out of the middle. These are great for tags. Alexa, stop. Sorry about that. My timer's going off. But anyway, these are awesome. So let me tell you some things that you could put in. I can only put a few candies in there, but you could definitely put a lip balm in here. That would work perfectly. And I'm going to measure this so you can see how long the little box area is. It's about 3 inches by 1 3/4, and it's only maybe a 1/2 inch deep, okay? I'm knocking stuff over. So, something that I have are these little sticky notes, and I can actually fit 2 of them in these, and I will put a link to these. I did purchase these off of Amazon, and I'll put a link to those. Just remember, if you purchase from my links, I am an affiliate, so I do earn a little commission. But anyway, look, this is a simple project. If you want me to put it together on film, I'll do a tutorial. I'll be glad to do a tutorial. I know there's a lot of tutorials out there. Also, I wanted to show you the acetate that I use. Oh, and I used these little bows from Dollar Tree. I've had them for a long time. So I don't think you can get them. I went there today to try to find them, and I didn't see them. And then, of course, this is the acetate I use, the Barely Art Clearly Craft Plastic. It's very thick, and it's crystal clear. But I'll put a link to that as well if you're interested. I did try to put like this type of lip balm in there. It does not fit. It's a little too thick, but I just wanted to tell you a couple of things that I did try to put in there. If you have any questions or if you want a tutorial, please comment below. And guys, you may want to comment on, I'm doing a video or a short every day in December. You really might want to leave a comment on each one, because there will be surprise giveaways. I'm not going to announce it. It's just a surprise giveaway during the month of December. Okay, you guys have a great day, and I will see you again on Saturday, either in a short or a long form video. Okay, you guys have a great weekend. Bye.